Kate here and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to create two different style of hair curling using flat iron and curling iron in just 5 minutes. Yes, you heard it right, 5 minutes lang. If you're that kind of person who's always in a hurry and want to put some flair in your hairstyle, then this is perfect for you. So if you want to know how to do it, just keep on watching. We have two devices that we can use for curling. Obviously, yung una is the curling iron, this one, and the other one is the flat iron. I know it's meant to achieve a different look kasi, di ba, pang straight to, tapos gagamitin mo na pang kulot ng buhok, pero trust me, it works like a charm. Tsaka, di ba, practical kung ito yung bibilhin mo kasi pwede mo siyang gamitin ng pang straight ng buhok and at the same time, pang kulot na rin. Okay, let's start first with the curling iron. Actually, mas magandang pang kulot is yung malaki yung size ng barrel, mga 32mm kasi ma-achieve mo talaga yung natural looking curl. So, nung bumili ako, walang available na 32ml kaya ito na lang yung nakuha ko, yung maliit lang kasi 500 pesos lang naman siya. So, okay na rin. I got this from Lazada and ang brand nito is Flex. So, ang ginagawa ko since 5-minute method ang pagkulot ko, isi-section ko yung buhok ko into 6 parts. Each part, I curl it in 50 seconds para pantay-pantay yung pagkakakulot niya. Let's start sa first 2 parts. Bale, hatiin lang natin siya into 2. Then, ang direction niya is inwards lang yung pagkulot. Careful lang kayo guys ha, kasi baka madikit yung plancha sa mukha nyo. So, paso ang abot nyo. Then, just repeat the same procedure. Guys. Okay, sa flat iron naman tayo. Straight ko ulit yung buhok ko para mapakita ko sa inyo isang step na gamit yung flat iron. First off, I'm gonna put my hair on a high ponytail on the top of my head. Painitin lang natin yung plancha sa maximum niya na 230 degrees. Tapos, divide ulit natin per side into 3. Pag itong flat iron ang ginagamit ko, I'm just gonna leave my hair about 15 seconds kasi mas mabilis itong makakulot. Just gonna repeat all the steps with the rest of the hair hanggang sa kabilang side. Tatanggalin na natin siya sa pagkaka-ponytail. Can you see that curl? Oh my god, that's so nice! Just loosen the curl with your fingers. So, ganyan lang siya. Ang ganda niya. Para siya yung mga book ng beauty queen, di ba? Pag sumasama sa pageant. That's it. This is the final result of my quick and easy way of curling. I hope you guys enjoyed this gorgeous hairstyle in just 5 minutes. Thumbs if you like it and subs if you love it. I will see you in my next one. Bye!